In this question, the principle 1 explains to us that for a valid contract to arise, the offerer must communicate the proposal. That is, this is the important essential. That is, the offerer must communicate the proposal and the offeree must communicate its acceptance, right? Now, principle 2 over here explains to us that a proposal may be communicated in any manner which has the effect of informing the offeree about the proposal. Now, Principle 3 explains to us that the communication of a proposal is complete when it comes to the knowledge of the offeree. Principle 4 explains to us that the communication of an acceptance is complete as against the offerer when the acceptance is put into the course of transmission by the offeree. Right. Now, lastly, we have principle 5, which explains to us that the communication of an acceptance is complete as against the offeree when it reaches the offerer. So the important point is when it reaches the offerer. Now, the facts. X is an NRI. He appointed Z as his agent to deal with his properties in India, including a residential house. Y, who lived in different city, expressed his willingness to buy the house via fax addressed to X and also sent a check worth 1 lakh through a registered mail, both of which were received by Z. Z accepted the offer and sent the sale deed via courier, which was not received by Y. Y contended that the contract is not binding against him as he did not receive the sale deed. In this question, it is to be decided whether the communication of acceptance is complete against X or not. Now, out of all the 4 options, the correct option in this question is B. That is no. As Y had no knowledge of the acceptance, the communication of acceptance is not complete against the offeree, that is X. Now, the reason why B is the correct answer is, if we read the principle number 5, we get to know that the communication of acceptance is complete against the offeree when it reaches the offerer, right? Now, since the sale deed, if we read the facts correctly, we get to know that the sale deed did not reach Y, right? The sale deed never reached Y. Therefore, he had no knowledge of the acceptance of the proposal. Therefore, the communication of acceptance is not complete as against the offeree, that is X, making B the correct answer.